Anna's birthday. Once upon a time, in the small town of Willowdale, there lived a young girl named Anna. Anna was an imaginative and curious girl who loved exploring the world around her. Her 11th birthday was just around the corner, and her parents wanted to make it a day she would never forget. Anna's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, were aware of their daughter's adventurous spirit. They decided to plan a special birthday surprise that would not only celebrate her turning 11, but also cater to her love for exploration. One sunny morning, Anna woke up to find a mysterious map on her bedroom door. The map led her through various landmarks and hidden gems in Willowdale. Excitement bubbled inside her as she followed the clues, uncovering surprises along the way. The first stop on the map was the local bakery, where Mrs. Baker handed Anna a beautifully decorated cupcake with 11 candles. The card attached read, "To the sweetest birthday adventurer." Next, the map guided Anna to the town's park, where her friends awaited her arrival. They had organized a picnic with her favorite snacks and games. As Anna enjoyed the company of her friends, she couldn't help but feel grateful for the effort they put into making her day special. The journey continued, leading Anna to the town's library. Mr. Jenkins, the librarian, greeted her with a book that held a special place in her heart. It was a rare edition of her favorite adventure novel, signed by the author with a personalized birthday message. The final clue led Anna to the outskirts of Willowdale, where a hidden treasure awaited. As she reached the spot, she discovered a beautifully wrapped box. Opening it, she found a telescope, something she had always wanted to have for her stargazing adventures. Overwhelmed with joy, Anna realized that her parents had orchestrated this entire day to celebrate her passions and interests. They wanted her to feel loved and understood, and indeed, they succeeded. As the sun set on Anna's 11th birthday, she gathered with her family and friends under a sky full of stars. They shared stories, laughter, and dreams, making it a day to remember. Anna's birthday surprise not only celebrated her turning 11, but also highlighted the importance of understanding and appreciating the unique qualities of those we care about. It was a day filled with love, friendship, and the joy of discovery, a perfect way for Anna to embark on another year of exciting adventures.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.